Hello and welcome. I'm Ben from CMCS and I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of our Vibradec vibration monitoring equipment. This is a vibration monitor that's mainly used in the construction industry but can be used for anywhere that vibration needs to be monitored. We've used it for monitoring piling, monitoring construction works near tube tunnels, train lines, even server farms. So it's quite a versatile bit of kit. It comes in. There's two main parts to it really. There's the orange box comes in a pelly case, robust, waterproof. This is the logger unit itself. This is the bit that does all the works out any alert levels that need to be sent. These can send out alerts by text message, uploads the data to our server remotely, and the piece that actually does the sensing is the geophone, which looks like this. So this is a tri-axis geophone in a polyacetal casing, waterproof again, designed for the rigours of construction sites. You just line up the pin in there with a slot in here. Hopefully you can see that. Line that up, screw up the collar. That's that. Once you've plugged in the geophone, you'll see on the back there's these two plugs for the batteries. While we're talking about power, we might as well show you this. And these are just 4 D-cell batteries. Go in the back of here. Positive side is up, as you can see on the cap. There is a positive symbol. So positive side up towards the top. 2 in each side. Good quality batteries are recommended because the cheap ones, they don't last very long. They do run down quickly. A set of good quality D-cell batteries in these units usually last a month easily, unless it's very cold weather, and then it might die a little quicker. It also depends on your log rate. You can adjust the log rate. We usually set it to about 20 minutes, although it scans continuously. Right, mounting the geophone then. So you've got power, you've got your geophone plugged in. How do we actually fix this to whatever we want to monitor? Right, so you can see we've got the bracket on the wall there, nice and solid, fixed on with 3 roll bolts beneath. It's firmly fixed, there's no movement in that whatsoever. You just take your geophone, place it on the bracket, and then you've got a few options. You can just clamp this, as I'm going to do now, with a normal clamp. Just place it over, clamp it down nice and tight. You don't want any movement in that. That's firmly fixed. So it's monitoring this wall. Any vibration in this wall will be transferred to this, and we'll pick it up and log it with the Vibradec. The other option, sometimes you need to monitor the ground, the floor, anything like that, or anywhere where you don't want to put a bracket on the wall. And if that's the case, I'll show you with this other unit. You can place the geophone on the ground, find a nice smooth bit if you can. There's a cable in the way. And just simply place the sandbag over. Make sure it's sitting nice and snug. There's no movement. Oh, there is movement there, look. Make sure it's sitting nice and snug. No movement at all. And then that's going to pick up any vibration from that slab. The last thing you need to do is to open up the unit itself. There's 2 clips. And you'll see in here a reading. It's not reading anything because I've only just turned it on. If this is showing the menu, like so, hopefully you can see this. To get get it logging, you just press the arrow key down, start logging, press OK, and it will start logging. And if I give that geophone a little tap, you should hopefully see in a second. Yeah, there we are. Got a reading. I hope you can see that. So that is it. There are other options in this menu, but it will have been set up by CMCS prior to receiving it, so there should be no reason to go in there. If you do need to go in there, we'll obviously talk you through it at the time. So that's the basics of how to set up the Vibradec and the geophone, and 2 different options for mounting. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you soon.